Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. I have to tell you, this is a good movie right here. The Ark and the Darkness, full official movie Genesis apologetics. Scientists, it's awesome. You'll learn a lot of information that maybe you all don't know. And I have never seen, I want to show you, look at, let me turn off the lights, okay? Let me turn off the lights. The sky got really black. Oops. Hello. Hi. Yeah, the sky got really black. And I've never seen rain like this, guys. Look. Totally. Look at that. Ooh, look at this here. Can you see the trees? Hopefully. I'm sorry, guys, but just wanted to show you. Look at. Wow, look at the water down there. Oh, it's like a hurricane. Wow. I'm going to have to go outside and check it out for you guys. All right. I'm going to go outside in a minute. This is part one. Aloha.